Okay, just sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. And start by taking a few deep breaths. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. And if thoughts of unfinished tasks at work consume your mind, acknowledge them without judgment. And allow your mind to be an open space amidst the pressure and workload. Imagine each inhale bringing clarity and focus, and exhaling any tension or sense of urgency. Try not to lean into the thoughts or anticipate the night ahead. Let your mind be that reflective space, where everything appears and fades away, including thoughts about your work tasks. Now also notice sounds around you and sensations in your body. Your mind is the space where all these phenomena, including the need to work late, appear. Embrace this moment to find balance and calm, and approach your tasks with a clear mind and centered presence. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed with pending work tasks, redirect your attention to something specific. It could be the rhythm of your breath, or the sounds around you, or the sensations present in your body. And now, bring your focus to the experience of paying attention itself. Notice if you're fully present in the moment or lost in thoughts about work. Observe whether you feel detached from the breath or if you're overwhelmed with thoughts in your head. Reflect on whether there's a central point to your consciousness in this moment, or if everything, including your sense of self, simply arises and passes through your awareness. In the final minute of this session, Allow yourself to acknowledge the pressure you're feeling as you contemplate working late into the night to finish your tasks at work. Leave your mind wide open without trying to force or control anything. Simply observe what arises in each passing moment, without effort or attachment. Well, once again, I express gratitude for your commitment to this practice. As you navigate through the rest of your day, see if you can find moments of clarity and presence, even amidst the busyness and demands. Remember that you have the ability to prioritize self-care and set boundaries, finding balance between work and personal well-being. I look forward to reconnecting with you in tomorrow's session here with Meditator-AI.